Kitchen backsplash trends for 2025 are focused on mixing materials, embracing combination of warm colors, and incorporating a variety of styles to add personality to the kitchen space. If you're currently planning a kitchen remodel and are making choices regarding finishes, check this video for latest backsplash styles and amazing color combinations. Before getting into the topic, I request you all, please do not forget to drop a like to this video and subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting home and garden videos. Let's explore the popular backsplash trends in 2025 kitchen spaces. Soft muted white and gray tones. Soft muted gray tones continues its popularity in 2025. Kitchen spaces are easy to adapt for muted gray color tones for any style of the kitchen cabinets and open wall spaces. While white and gray tones will remain extremely popular in 2025 kitchens, so will colors that exude a neutral feel. As new patterns and different tile sizes available into the market, it open up the opportunity to personalize the kitchen spaces for individual needs depending on the space availability. Beige is third most popular color kitchen backsplash trend after gray and white. A muted gray backsplash design brings a sophisticated and calming element to the kitchen, offering versatility to complement various styles. A gray marble backsplash with subtle veining provides a luxurious, yet muted aesthetic. It pairs beautifully with both white and dark cabinetry, offering elegance without overpowering the kitchen. Gray glass tiles, particularly in a frosted or smoky finish, add a sleek and glossy surface that reflects light while maintaining a muted color. This is great for smaller kitchens, as the reflective nature of glass can make the space feel larger and more open. Elevated solid surface backsplashes are a sophisticated choice for modern kitchens, providing a sleek and seamless design. Solid surface backsplashes are increasingly popular in modern kitchens due to their seamless appearance and durability. This design continues its high demand in 2025, and moreover amazing colors and elevated patterns are giving more opportunities for homeowners and for builders' demand. Using granite or marble as a solid surface backsplash creates a luxurious, timeless look. These materials offer rich veining and natural patterns, making each installation unique. The solid surface ensures a continuous flow from the countertop, enhancing the visual effect. A solid slab of quartz used as a backsplash offers a high-end, streamlined appearance. Quartz slabs, especially in muted tones, or with subtle veining, create a continuous flow from countertop to backsplash, eliminating grout lines for a clean, uninterrupted surface. This is a luxurious choice that works beautifully in both modern and transitional kitchens. A solid marble backsplash with soft, muted veining brings luxury and refinement to the kitchen. For a modern touch, opt for honed or matte finishes that keep the marble looking soft and muted, while still offering the luxury associated with natural stone. Consider the cabinets and kitchen island color, then opt for slabs with subtle, muted colors such as off-white, gray or beige surfaces, and darker veining, to create a sophisticated, yet understated backdrop. Porcelain's ability to mimic natural stone textures, while offering more resilience makes it a stylish, durable option. As a contrast, solid surface black backsplash comes with matte finish offers a sleek, modern look that adds depth and sophistication. Black solid surfaces, with subtle white or gray veining, that mimic natural stone like marble or granite, that can add an elegant touch, with low maintenance. I hope you are enjoying the content of this video. Please drop your feedback in comments section of this video, and please, do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel support. In 2025, sleek tile designs with two-tone display are new subway tiles with a twist. Sleek patterns in new colors and amazing multi-tones tiles will replacing the term subway classic. Sleek subway tile backsplashes are becoming very popular and becoming builders' choice for model home display. One of the most modern kitchen backsplash idea is to use sleek subway tiles that are boldly colored porcelain tiles, combined with neutral colored tiles. It will make a statement in 2025. Modern and sleek subway tiles can be laid in a wonderful visual patterns, such as modern chevron, stair-step pattern, and herringbone style to bring a statement to your kitchen space. Check these wonderful two-tone designs in contemporary kitchens. Positioning these multi-tone subway tiles in a herringbone pattern creates clean lines for a stunning kitchen backsplash. And this patterns goes well any kitchen style, but having more wall space make it more appealing on focal point wall. While subway tiles remain popular, new patterns like vertical stacks are giving this classic style a modern update. Homeowners are also experimenting with colored grout to add contrast and to bring visually appealing elevated pattern. Retro backsplashes are making a stylish comeback, offering a playful nod to the past, while adding a unique, vintage charm to the kitchen. These designs are very apt for butlers' pantry walls, dirty kitchen areas, and even wall backgrounds of wet bar area as well. Geometric shapes, especially with strong lines and contrasting colors, are another hallmark of retro backsplashes. Bold, angular designs, or hexagonal tiles in muted colors like sea blue, olive green are more popular colors that can give your kitchen a vintage vibe with a sophisticated edge. You can also experiment with different color combinations, like pastel shades for a softer, more retrofuturistic look. Look for ceramic or porcelain tiles with classic, hand-painted designs, or even wallpaper-style tiles with repeating motifs. These are some popular retro backsplash ideas, but you could try definitely experimenting with retro style for small walls instead main kitchen areas. If you are watching this video till this point, I believe you liked the content of it. Please drop a like to support my channel House Talks. Your feedback is really appreciated. Thank you.